Alright, so it's been quite some time since I've been on the YouTubes, and first off, I just want to start off with welcome back to the channel. And if you guys are new, welcome to the channel. My name is Chris. I do car videos, motorcycle videos, anything really. Used to do truck videos, so the reason I haven't posted was been kind of gone, dealing with some stuff. About 3 months back, about since the last time I posted my video, I did like the exhaust video on the Tacoma. Unfortunately, I no longer have that truck. The truck is gone. Unfortunately, I totaled it. I fell asleep behind the wheel and totaled my truck. So thank God I wasn't hurt. There was nobody else in the accident. It was just me. Thank God I'm okay. I mean, it's a pretty situation to go through, but I'm thankful I'm here. I'm thankful I'm okay. So yeah, excuse my absence, but I've been going through that, dealing with that. But by the title of this video, I do have a new car. Financially, I wanted to be smarter. Insurance took care of it all, and I just wanted to be financially smarter. I didn't want to get into another finance deal with another truck or anything. As much as I want another truck, I just didn't want to get into another deal like that. So of course, me being the Miata addict I am, and how much I miss mine from like 6 years ago when I had it back in high school. Ever since I've gotten rid of that car, I've been fiending for another Miata. So yeah, I made a purchase, and here we go. Got a little NB Miata. Miata prices are, it's insane. It's insane how much the prices have raised. Luckily, the day I got my insurance money, I hopped on Facebook Marketplace. I was literally checking it like 3 hours, every 3 hours, every day. And dude posted it 15 minutes prior to when I saw it, called him up, went to go check it out, and I got this for a great deal. Super cool guy. You know who you are if you're watching this video. I'm not gonna name your name, but you know who you are. Thank you, man. Awesome. Super stoked with the deal. Car's great condition. It's 92,000 miles, all stock, 1.8. This is my first time owning an NB model. I had the NA before, but yeah, top is all in good condition, no leaks, nothing. Interior is mint. I'm so stoked with it. Super stoked. Finally, so happy to be back in a Miata. Like I said in the very first video that I've ever posted, I was talking about how I wanted to get a Miata as a project car. Unfortunately, it's not my project car, it's not my daily car, but it's a project as well. So there's gonna be a lot of stuff that will be done to this car. I'm super stoked. Yeah, I'm super stoked. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys inside the car, and we're gonna go take it for a ride. So I'll see you soon. All right, so here we are in the Miata in all its glory. Ready? Starts right up. Gotta love it. AC blows. I'm gonna need it today. I'm not trying to put the top down. But yeah, if you guys know me personally, if you guys knew me back in high school, you guys know I had a 1990, the white one with the pop-up headlights. Originally, that's what I wanted to get, the NA model, but the prices are insane. Everybody's asking like 7, 8K for like pieces of Sorry, nobody's gonna buy your priced out piece of for 7, 8K. Sorry. I was looking every day and I couldn't find anything. I was set on just being financially smart and getting a beater truck for around like 3K. I hopped on the marketplace and I came across this Miata. I was like, I had to hop on it because I know it wasn't gonna last long. As soon as I saw it, I messaged the guy and said it was still available, and I was like, I'm on my way. And yeah, I ended up with this Miata. Stick shift, Manny, 1.8 liter LS diff. So stoked on that. 92,000 miles, which is crazy. and for the price I bought this at, that was like the ideal like Miata price. The prices that on the market right now is just insane. I just can't stop saying that. Like, I'm stoked I caught the Miata again. Let's go ahead and get out for alright, safety first. Safety first. It's been quite some time since I've driven stick, so I'm kind of getting back in the hang of it. It's been like 5-6 years. Last time I drove stick was probably the Miata that I had. Don't judge me for my shifts, they're probably going to be disgusting. It makes me so happy to drive this again. Everything in the Miata is here. I did change something already. It was he had a Bluetooth radio that he never put in, the previous owner, and he was like, if you want it, go ahead, it's yours. I was like, sure, why not? So I got rid of the stock radio and I put his radio in. I didn't want to do a video on that just because, I mean, there's probably millions of videos on how to change a car radio. Other than that, the car's all stock, which I'm also stoked with because I don't have to deal with anybody else's modifications and all that. Stoked I got a clean car, fresh start. Damn bikers. Thing is the convertible latches, they won't close completely, like they're kind of loose, so I'm gonna have to do that. That is the one thing that I'm kind of like this feels, if you guys drive a Miata, you know the feeling, you know what I mean? If you guys have ever driven the Miata, you know the feeling. It's such a good feeling driving this car. It's literally a little street legal go-kart and nothing beats it. That 1990 Miata, I'll put a picture up of when I had it. The 1990 Miata I had bought for $1,400, but it was kind of clapped out. I was back in high school, so I didn't have any adult money to play around with. So I sold it and got something that was more convenient because the top was messed up. Now I have adult money, and this thing's gonna be sick. This is gonna be my baby. This is already my baby. I love this. Definitely gonna put some work into this, and I'm stoked to have this car on the channel. Originally, back in high school, this is what I wanted to do. I had my little Miata. I was like, I'm gonna start making YouTube videos. Yeah, I never got around to it. Unfortunately, the Tacoma's no longer around. I really enjoyed doing videos on that, modifying it. I love that truck. You guys seem to like it a lot. All the Tacoma videos I have up, we're doing pretty well. But I'm stoked to have this on the channel. Some more up my alley. Little convertible Miata. Everybody, if you guys know me personally, you guys know me for owning the Miata back in high school. Like, all my friends tell me that was such an iconic car for me. I don't know. I was like the only one of my friends that had one. I just do want to say, I crashed because I was running on no sleep. Just be safe, guys. Get your sleep. Driving while you're tired, I had no idea how bad it was. Please do not drive if you guys are tired. If you guys are running on no sleep, do not do that. I'm thankful I'm okay. I'm thankful it was just a car that got totaled. Thankfully nobody else was in the accident. Who knows, it could have turned out way worse. I could have been hospitalized. I could have hit somebody. Don't be stupid. It's embarrassing to say, I'm not gonna lie, like it's embarrassing. I haven't been on YouTube, that's why I haven't explained it earlier. Just be safe, guys. Don't drive tired. Obviously don't drive intoxicated. Just be safe. Don't be stupid. I will admit I was stupid. Now that that's out the way and this is here, I'm stoked to be able to bring you guys Miata content, and let's see where it takes us, you know? This thing is all stock, and let me tell you, it rips. The stock Miata rips. It's obviously not fast, but the little thing's quick, you know? The curve, the turns, oh, I love it. off a ton of wind noise. Eventually I do want to get the hardtop, but I also do want the convenience of soft top, because I love driving with this thing with the top down. I'm just so stoked to have this thing. We're gonna get this back home and we're gonna give it a wash, so I'll see you guys there. I just also wanted to give you guys a little update on the bikes. I know I was doing some content on the bikes. Bikes I literally haven't touched. I'll ride it every now and then. I just haven't been in the mood, the mindset to do YouTube videos, but we got the T-Dub right here. They're all doing good. We got 850 miles on it. Here's the XT250. I have everything to continue the 12-volt conversion. I just have to do it. That's the thing. And I just haven't been in the mindset and the mood to do it, but I'm happy to say we're back, baby. So that'll be coming soon too. But yeah, I'm gonna get the GoPro on the tripod and we're gonna go ahead and wash her. Here's a little walk around of it though. All stock. Those wheels gotta go. That's one of the first things I'm gonna swap out on it. I'm gonna throw you guys on the tripod and we'll get to washing. Don't judge my my washing skills either. Alright. Paint's not too good. I don't really care about it. I plan on painting or wrapping it later on, so I don't want to see any comments about how shitty my washing is, alright? God. I hope I caught that on camera. God damn it. Not the best wash, but it's a wash. Looks pretty damn good with the water. Once it gets dry, you see all the little imperfections. There's slight clear coat that's coming off. Nothing real bad, but I'm gonna dry her off, clean the windows and all that. So I'm gonna do that off camera and we'll be back when it's all done. All right, so I cleaned the windows and everything. I'm gonna end the video here for today. One last touch though. I gotta put these on to make it official. There you go, and it's official. Happy to be able to make this video again, and it's been quite some time, but Hope you guys understand on the no more Tacoma content. Unfortunately, it is what it is, you know. It happens. I'm just thankful to be here, being able to do this, and stoked I got a Miata. So Miata content will be on the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoy that, and stay tuned and continue subscribing, continue liking and commenting on the videos. Yeah, lots of stuff to come. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it as always. Until next time, peace out.